Uh, After so long, I put this video on my channel because today I will introduce one of the best bot ever I seen. So let's start. I will introduce that bot. So here I am in binary.com and I upload this bot. It's very simple bot and you can use with your very small money. So let's take a test. Try to earn $1. I have you can see in my USD account. This is my real account. I have $10. So try to earn $1 and let's see how much time take the bot for earn $1 with $10 investment, and our stake amount is 0.35 cent. So my target was $1. So let's start. So you can see the bot was running. So let's wait and see how much time taken the bot for earn $1. I have only $10 in my account. That's why my trading stake amount is 0.35 cent only. Okay, so if you trade with uh, very much amount, then you can put your stake $1 and as you wish, as you want, as you on your money management. In this bot have some condition, so you need to follow that all condition, and I think I share this bot with you all everyone. So for this bot, uh, please contact me. Below the description I share my contact details. You can reach out there and contact with me. So let's wait. You can see my $1 target was covered. So very simple bot, and you can use with your very small money with some condition. That condition I will share when you contact with me. So that's all. I just try to introduce this bot. You can see 8 total taken trade is 13, 5 loss, 8 was win. So very simple bot, and you can easily use. You no need to learn about trading. You no need to, if you don't know about trading, also you can use this bot. Very simple. Just go to the binary option and upload this bot and run this bot. Okay. Thank you, traders. Try to take one more attempt, and the target was same, was $1. So let's start again. Okay, you can see my target was same, $1. So if I use $100, then in that condition I can set my stack amount is $1 and 50 cent, as depend on me with my money management. All those condition and all those money management I will share with you all when you contact with me. If anyone needs this bot, please contact with me. I will share the bot with you all personally. And one more thing, this bot not a free bot, so small charges. If you want, then contact me either as you wish. The market was not good, but this bot earned the money. If you lost, no worry, it's cover your loss. You can see here this bot use martingale, and this bot can go 4 time or 5 time martingale. So you need to have enough money on your account for the martingale theory, because right now the market was not good. That's why this losses. But no worry, this bot automatically cover your loss and cover your daily target.
नहीं कर You can see this bot automatically cover your loss and try to hit your target, that is $1. So no worry, this bot only martingale. If loss continuously, only martingale is 3 to 4 time, not enough. Not before the after the 4 time, only 3 to 4 time it can martingale. If market was very bad, in that condition, either you can see the winning ratio is very good bot ever seen. That's why I introduced this bot. अंकल जी थोड़ी देर बाद होगा, इनका सर्वर थोड़ा सा डाउन है, आधे घंटे बाद बात करें। आधे घंटे So see the winning ratio. It's a very good one. And also, if your trading stack amount was only 0.35 cents, so I think that was not a big much of money. So very low amount we use and earn daily a good profit. Daily you can easily earn 35 to 50 percent your whole amount. My personal experience, I earn one day it's with $30. It's for in just 2 hours I earn $280. So you can think how good this bought. You can see all loss are recovered and it's hit my daily the target. And it's easy, you can see easily it's covered 20% my whole amount. I have only $10 now. I have $13. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if anyone need this boat, then please contact me, and have some condition for running this boat. I will share all that condition with you and this boat also. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.